you could have bought a small block or a big block Vega. Brand spanking new in, what, 71? Something like that? 1971. Small block or big block Vega right from the dealership. Imagine that. Oh, man, how cool would that be? Everybody, welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels TV. Today we got a real quick one for you. These are the Flying Customs. They were supposed to be a Target exclusive, and I got a message from my buddy Tony Birchall the other day. He says, "Hey, Dollar Tree has got the Flying Customs there." So of course, hey, went down there because I never get anything from Target. If I find one thing, that's it. Or Brent finds stuff, but I never get anything from Target. So we're going to do a real quick look at these, and you guys need to run out. As soon as you get done looking at these, run out to your local Dollar Tree and pick them up for $1 a piece, right? Cool. This is the 70 Ford Torino, done up in a light brown metallic. Has a black interior, and the windows are lightly tinted blue. Has a chrome base, which goes along with the front grille and the rear bumper. And it has gold chrome 5 spokes, big ones in the back, little ones in the front. Next one up is the Minni Cooper S Challenge, and that's done in yellow. And it has a dark blue interior, which is part of the front grille. A blue center section there, the fender flares on it. The wheels are chrome hot ones, and the windows are lightly tinted blue. Has a black plastic base, and the little knob in the back there. I haven't torn one of these apart in a long time, but I'm wondering if you push that little button, if the whole body comes up off of one of these two, like the other ones have always done. Next one up is the Boulevard Bruiser, and that one is done in red enamel. Has a black interior. Windows are tinted blue. It's got a chrome base on it, which is part of the headlights and the front grille and the front bumper and the rear bumper. The wheels are red chrome 5 spokes. Big ones in the back, little ones in the front. Volkswagen Caddy, a little Volkswagen pickup truck. It is done in a green metallic. Has a yellow interior. The bed liner in the back is yellow. Windows are tinted dark. Has black plastic base on it. And the wheels are all small chrome hot ones. There we go. 2015 Ford Mustang GT. That is done in a dark gray metallic. Has a black interior. Windows are tinted blue. Has a black plastic base on it. The wheels are gold chrome hot ones. 96 Nissan 180 SX Type X, and that is done in purple metallic. Has a yellow interior in it. Windows are tinted. Has a gray pearl plastic base on it. The wheels are chrome hot ones. My favorite out of the whole bunch, custom V8 Vega. You know, there was a place that you could buy right off of the dealership floor. There was a place in Long Island, Baldwin, Long Island. It was a Chevrolet dealership, and it was called Baldwin Motion. You could buy big block Camaros, you could buy big block Chevelles, and big block or small block Vegas. This place was unreal. You could buy it right off of the showroom floor. Amazing place. And you could have bought a small block or a big block Vega. Brand spanking new in, 71? Something like that? 1971. Small block or big block Vega right from the dealership. Imagine that. Oh, man, how cool would that be? But, yeah, that was a Motion Vega. This one kind of looks like a Motion Vega, but you never know. It has got an L88 hood scoop on it. big block 427 hood scoop. Interior looks like orange. Windows are lightly blue tinted. Car is done up in white enamel. Has a fluorescent orange, red, and black stripe on it. It has a black plastic base, which goes along with the front black plastic grille. And the wheels are all small gold chrome hot ones. Gold hot ones. Last one. I know a lot of guys are loving this one too. 67 Chevy C10 pickup. Done up in metallic blue. A nice dark metallic blue. Has orange and mustard yellow stripes on it. Has a chrome interior and a bed liner in the back with the big tubs. The windows are lightly tinted blue. The front grille and front bumper are chrome, also goes with that interior. And the rear bumper too. The base is black plastic. And it has chrome 5-spokes all the way around. It's got big ones in the back and little ones in the front. So if you haven't already seen them, here they are. Like I said, they were supposed to be a Target exclusive. And now they are found in the Dollar Tree. So keep your eyes open. By the way, too, for you Matchbox guys, they had a ton of Matchbox exclusives there too at the Dollar Tree. So you get a chance, run down there, pick them up for your collection, and be all set. Like I said, I don't get anything at Target, except if Brent brings it to me. So I was very lucky. And Tony, thanks again, buddy. So thanks for watching Hot Wheels TV. Appreciate it, always. Leave your comments in the bottom. Please subscribe. Please tell your friends. And please be kind to one another. So until the next time we see you right here at Hot Wheels TV. See you guys real soon. Take care now. Bye-bye.
You did good.
Thank you.
You weren't bad as I thought you were.
What do you mean you thought I was going to be bad?
I thought you were going to miss the colors, but you did.
Oh.
You need